Introducing the 2017 Mazda 6 2.2D Executive SE Saloon in sleek grey. Packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control and rear heater controls, this car offers comfort and convenience. With ABS, parking assistance and anti-collision system for safety. The exterior boasts a stylish aerial, while the interior features a luxury trim and boot light, complete with StopStart system and tinted windows for added efficiency and style. This vehicle has been fully checked and serviced. Comes with a warranty for peace of mind. For more information, call us or visit michaelmoore.ie. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer.